Hello, this is your cameraman, Daniel Drewski, for this last and final video for February 15, 2023. And right now it's 5:15, around 5:15. Now I'll show you of aftermath. Everything's getting back to normal with this project. Yep. Nice neighborhood over here today, and pretty nice. It's going to be in the upper 40s tonight. They've been here from 8 o'clock to they left around quarter before 5 o'clock. They're packing it in and everything. And they did like a pretty good job like fixing the pipes or just everything. Yep. And then now here's the spot they had to put like this new pipe in, because they're actually installing things. Yep. This is the spot right here they worked in, and they actually fixed it. Watch out for those holes. I might want to fall down in it. We got to be careful. At least they're not chopping any more trees around this area. Just waiting for all the traffic. Now I gotta wait for these people to cross. I don't want to interfere with my taping. Just waiting for them to go. This is a red light. Alright. Waiting for all the traffic, and here we go.
Video.
No, why? Something wrong with that? I'm just taping this personally. So there you have it, folks. Aftermath of the at the garage, and I hope you enjoy watching these previous videos, like the construction site that we've been doing since January 2nd of this year. So please try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of these previous construction videos. This is your cameraman, Daniel Drewski, signing off. And I'll see you next time when I give you updates about this site over there. If they're bringing in or stuff, and just relax, sit back, enjoy these other previous construction videos that I just did. We'll see you next time, and you have a nice night. Good night, everybody.